Carrot and egg breakfast muffins. Introduction. Start your day on a healthy note with these delightful carrot and egg breakfast muffins. This easy recipe combines the natural sweetness of carrots with the protein punch of eggs, creating a tasty and portable morning treat. These muffins are not only quick to make but also versatile, allowing you to customize them with your favorite spices and toppings. Ingredients. To make these carrot and egg breakfast muffins, gather the following ingredient: 1 cup grated carrots, 4 large eggs, a 1/4 cup milk, a 1/4 cup melted butter or oil, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, salt and pepper to taste. Optional add-ins: grated cheese, chopped herbs, or diced ham. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 375 F 190 C. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it lightly. Prepare carrots. Peel and grate the carrots finely. This step ensures that the carrots distribute evenly throughout the muffins, providing a burst of natural sweetness. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pepper. This creates a well-blended dry mixture for the muffins. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat the eggs and then add the grated carrots, milk, and melted butter or oil. Mix well until the ingredients are fully incorporated. Create batter. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Gently fold the mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in dense muffins. Optional add-ins. If you desire extra flavor, fold in optional add-ins such as grated cheese, chopped herbs, or diced ham into the batter. Fill muffin cups. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. This allows the muffins to rise properly during baking. Bake. Place the muffin tin in the preheated oven and bake for 18–20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The tops should be golden brown. Cool. Allow the muffins to cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures they set properly and are easy to handle. Serve and enjoy. Once cooled, these carrot and egg breakfast muffins are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them with your favorite spread or alongside a cup of coffee for a wholesome and satisfying breakfast.